Heraclitus. Heraclitus of Ephesus, born around 535 BCE, is often known as the Weeping Philosopher. His profound and sometimes cryptic sayings have echoed through the centuries. Heraclitus believed that change is the fundamental essence of the universe. He stated, "No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it is not the same river and he is not the same man." This idea that everything is in a state of flux challenges us to see the world not as a collection of static objects, but as a dynamic process of continual transformation. Heraclitus used fire as a metaphor for this constant change. Just as fire is always in motion, consuming and transforming everything in its path, so too is the universe. Everything flows, nothing stands still. The only constant in life is change. But Heraclitus's philosophy goes beyond just change. He introduced the concept of the logos, a guiding principle or reason that orders the cosmos. To Heraclitus, the logos is an underlying order in the apparent chaos. It's the rational structure of the universe, the law that governs the ever-changing flow of existence. Though his writings were fragmentary, his ideas influenced later philosophers, from Plato and Aristotle to the Stoics, who saw the logos as a divine reason pervading the universe. Heraclitus reminds us that life is a journey of perpetual change. By embracing the flux and seeking the underlying order, we can navigate the ever-shifting tides of existence. Heraclitus is known for his profound and often enigmatic sayings. Here are some of his most famous, poignant, and useful sayings. "No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it is not the same river and he is not the same man." This emphasizes the constant state of flux and change in life. Everything is always changing and nothing remains the same. The only constant in life is change. Change is inevitable and the fundamental nature of the universe. Embracing this can help us adapt and grow. Everything flows and nothing abides. Everything gives way and nothing stays fixed. Reinforces the idea that all things are in a state of continuous movement and transformation. Character is destiny. A person's character determines their fate. Our actions and behaviours shape our future. The way up and the way down are one and the same. Life's processes are interconnected and cyclical. Success and failure, ascent and descent are part of the same journey. Out of discord comes the fairest harmony. Conflict and opposition are necessary for harmony and balance in life. Challenges and struggles can lead to positive outcomes. The hidden harmony is better than the obvious. There is a deeper, often unseen order and balance in the universe that is more profound than what is immediately apparent. Much learning does not teach understanding. Acquiring information and knowledge is not the same as truly understanding and comprehending the nature of things. Fire is the origin of all things. Heraclitus used fire as a metaphor for change and transformation, suggesting that everything arises from and returns to a state of flux. Dogs bark at what they do not understand. People often fear or reject things that they do not understand or are unfamiliar with. Wisdom is the oneness of mind that guides and permeates all things. True wisdom lies in recognizing and understanding the unity and interconnectedness of all things in the universe. It is in changing that we find purpose. Purpose and meaning in life are found through the process of change and transformation. Big results require big ambitions. Achieving significant outcomes requires bold goals and aspirations. To be even-minded is the greatest virtue. Maintaining a balanced and composed mind is the highest virtue, helping one navigate the constant changes of life with equanimity. Heraclitus had a deep understanding of the nature of existence and the perpetual state of change. His observations offer us insights into how to approach life, emphasizing adaptability, understanding, and the pursuit of wisdom.